right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their body shaper. Now, I'm just gonna unbag it, and then I'll, of course, have my wife try it on. So, as you can see, in the middle, it has two nice buttons. You got actually two different lengths here, so you got a longer one, and then the slightly tighter one. But you can see how it folds out, essentially what it would look like. Now, let's go show it on my wife. So, this is the women's bodysuit on my wife. What it would look like on you. It would shape you, slim you down, make you look very nice like she does. How do you like the fabric?
Oh, it's very comfortable. It's like a t-shirt.
And it's easy to like snap and everything. Like you didn't have any issues putting it on.
And there's two sizes down there. If you need it tighter or looser, there's two.
Nice.
Yeah.
A little
And
spin?
I'm, we should say 145 and 5'3".
Yeah.
So it fits me pretty good. And this is a medium.
All right. Well, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us. Deuces.